It is fun.
Mr. Hunt, what did you think of that?
It's a lot of fun. The car is stiffer. I mean, it feels more like a race car. So, you know, but it's a lot of fun.
Let's look at that smile through the helmet there. Look at that smile. Of course, shadow's in the way.
It's good. It's a good thing. I like it. I like the car like this.
So you prefer it this way rather than the way it currently is?
I do. And again, the fact that it's very affordable, less than a set of tires, that makes a huge difference. You know, that makes it a lot more appealing. You know, it's not a big, huge change. I mean, it's a nice, small, controlled, reasonable change.
Yeah, it's not.
So how does the car handle now versus the way what you're used to?
Well, you know, every car's a little bit different. As much as we try to make them as close as possible to each other. But the car was very controllable. The rear end stepped out a few times. I caught it immediately, no problem. Just a quick little flick and gathered it right back up. I ran on the rumble strips off just a little bit, not way out, but just enough to get a feel for it. And it seemed to handle that just fine as well. So
That's awesome.
yep, I feel good about it. I feel real
Awesome.
good.
Awesome.
Right down here.